So today, folks, are going to go back on CubeCraft for more Skyblock. Comment for any challenges you want to try. And see the block up here. So I want that's not too bad. Can be good if yes. We know sort of MI got an actual that's isn't terrible. And the cactus. Enough sand here to make stuff. You know what I'm. Part for the best part, you know, because once you guys have to make a wheat, where's the best food source in this game. Where's the best food source you get. Oh, not to knock them off? No, we don't. That one pick we did knock them off. Center, oh boys. Should we rush us? We're getting rushed. Oh shit, this man, they rush us. He's looking awfully sus. He's galloping up to rush us. For more. Out. Amazing RNG will cook the chest. Hold and cook the chest when the chest is trapped. And that will blow up. Question is, will he cook the chest? Will he cook the chest? Just ignore chest or cook the chest. That's a chest here. That could kill him probably potentially. But probably not. Yep, he's not going to get chest. Whoa. Did they work out? Did work out. My bomb did work out and new game again. Pogwin. This map is decent overall. Map's decent, not really good, but there's some good loot here. Since there's mostly the best ones, well, the blocks there, being a default, this map is not careful your jumps. Well, very water, nope, no water, that's amazing. Oh boy. That's lava. Eventually in, boost not too bad. Nice one, okay. That's pretty good. I'm short there, so keep on that guy. Iron tools, I can pick naked. Oh, good, so. Oh, the surviving aren't the best. Here, Kroger bad luck, and it looks decent so far, so. Make bread, I have a decent axe, use an axe, but axe won't do good. I'm good at the sword, the swords are really good. That was not that good. Let's say fireball. Oh, that's a good fireball kill. Go out there, you fell in the void. Epic. It's one kill. This is one kill there. Epic is a nice kills for the game with a nice cheeky fireball. That probably surprised him. He didn't expect the fireball to come there because he just didn't see it coming. I'm gonna do some bridging now. He probably didn't have the loot there. Get that loot. That was terrible. For now, because Nice person anyways, so nice person. Horses are weird, they're always annoying. Like, who has a horse? Great fireball balls, amazing. Yep, that's amazing. You censored girls that said I wrote on me? Then work. Dallas said Iceberg would told necessary to go. Iceberg epic kill, you know what I'm get this person some slimes. Let's spell long and sort there, or no? If still no obby. Okay, so check inventory there, wasn't he? Oh great, that was a bad mistake. Slime. So okay, that's my finger arrows, whatever it is, but it keeps finger arrows. So I'm gonna be nice one back. Oh, well, lag sometimes, you know, lag sometimes can help. That killed a good example. Because you know what? The lag knocks him off the map. He must be salty at that point of view, because he game lagged. He's off the map. Oh, that's the last person there. The sharp 7 sword, that's a diamond sword, that's pretty good. But no, well, yeah, sharp 8, because sharp 8s are pretty good overall. You deal pretty good damage up close. Just close and we can laser them. Great, this is amazing. I don't want that talent. Oh, look at that. Oh,